Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to model a plastic stool in SolidWorks step by step. First, create a base with draft. Then use sweep cut, a square recess at the corner. Then pattern the recess circularly to other three corners. And add fillets on the edges. Next, we will extrude a thin base at the bottom. And add fillets to the new edges. Then shell these balls. Next, use extrude cutter to create the legs profile. And add fillets on the profile. Then pattern the cut to other side. At last, we will cut holes on the seat. And pattern linearly the holes. Okay, let's get started on the details. First, create a sketch on the top plane. Draw a rectangle. Set the length to 420 and make the two edges equal. Then extrude a boss. Set height to 430 and set a 4-degree draft. Then create a sketch on the top face. Draw a rectangle at the corner. Make the two edges be equal and set the length to 40. Then go sweep cut, select the rectangle and the corner. Next, create an axis. Select the point and the face. Go circular pattern. Select the axis and select the feature. Here to check geometry pattern. Then go fillet. Select the up face and set the radius to 40. Then go to fillet again. Select the edges. Here to connect it to the end face. If you didn't show the selection toolbar, please check here. Then select the edge. Move till the toolbar show and select connect to the end. Set the radius to 50. Next, we go back the first sketch. Go extrude. Set the thickness to 6. Then go fillet again. Select the new corner. Set the radius to 20. Continue fillet. Select the edges. Here we have a little issue. So I go back to the boss extrude and add the draft. Now we go fillet and select the edge to between right feature. Next, go shell. Select the bottom face and set the thickness to 6. Next, create a new sketch on the right plane and draw lines. This sketch is for cutting the profile for the legs. Then draw a vertical construction line in the middle. And make these two lines to be symmetric. Set the distance between these 2 points to 80. And the distance between the top line and the top face to 75. Next, set the angle between these two lines to 86. Next, to draw two horizontal line. And set the distance between these two lines to 50. And the distance between these two lines to 130. Next, go extruded cut, set through all, and select the contour. Next, go fillet, select the corners. Then we go circular pattern and select the axis, select the feature and the fillet. Then add a fillet on the edges of the legs. Set the radius to 3. Then select the other edges one by one. At last, we will add holes on the seat. Create a new sketch on the top plane. Draw a circle and set the distance between the 0 point to 100, both on horizontal and vertical. And set the diameter to 25. Then go extrude cut and change the direction. Okay. Next, we will pattern these holes on the seat. Select edge as a direction and select the cut. Modify the distance and the quantities. Then we add patterns on another direction. Also select edge and the distance and the quantities. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.